In our last video, Eagle Race led us to a giant ghost net at a depth of 110 feet. After several cleanup dives, only scattered remnants of the ghost net remain. But this is the hardest part. We had to meticulously remove the entangled net patches, coral by coral. This video is about the delicate and tedious work of saving just one fan coral at 90 feet, 27 meters. The ghost net is entangled in a giant Gorgonian Muricella fan coral at 90 feet, 27 meters. It sticks to the fan coral like Velcro. The net tightly grips the delicate strands of the fan coral. If we try to pull them apart, the net will rip off the fan coral. The only way to remove the net is to surgically cut the sections of the net that's gripping the fan coral with scissors. This is slow, tedious, and delicate work that needed to be done. If left alone, the fan coral will not survive. Good buoyancy control is essential for safety and to prevent coral damage. The work can be risky. One diver must monitor depth and time, stay vigilant, and be ready to assist if the other diver needs help. At 90 feet, 27 meters, our time is limited. We carefully planned this dive and set strict safety limits. Why, you may ask, should we take the time to save this one fan coral? fan corals provide essential habitats for marine life, offering shelter and food for countless of species. They are vital to the ocean health, support biodiversity, and fan coral protect our coastline by reducing wave energy. Fan corals support fish population, are natural filters, and balances the marine ecosystem. On a personal note, in saving this fan coral, we are safeguarding the intricate web of life that depends on it, including ourselves.